On today's show, we're going to talk about assorted types of pancakes, how to cook them, and multiple different fillings that you could use. And Barb is cooking with me because she is a pancake aficionado, so she's going to show. Stick around. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. To get started, we've picked the first one. This is made by Bisquick, and this particular one, you take the whole bottle and you put water in it and then you shake it, and it makes 6 to 12 pancakes, and they're all about a half a cup in size. So we take this, and you've got the water measured out, right?
Right.
I didn't check the measurement. If I fill the bottle up and it overflows, we'll know one of us was off in our measurement. So, take the bottle, shake. Now you traditionally make them where you put water in,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, but as soon as we pour this out, we're going to talk about these other ones, and you don't put water in all. Okay, do you think I have this mixed enough? All right, let's give it a try. So, I have the grill here, and do you put oil on, or do you use Pam when you do it?
I put oil.
Okay. Do you ever use anything like canola?
No.
No, but you use regular vegetable oil.
Yes.
Okay. All right, well, we'll use this today. So, how much of this do you pour out?
A little bit.
Like pouring the cap into it or something? And I think we're gonna make 6. I'm pretty sure we're gonna probably put 6 on there. Now, I've already sprayed this thing with Pam just to make sure, because I've made pancakes before and I've had a problem with it. We also have fancy spatulas too that we thought we'd bring out and show you. So do you use a brush? Because I got a little basin brush there if you want. And you can just kind of brush it. Yeah. You like green, that's why you picked that. Alright, so let's turn this on. We'll start getting this hot. Okay. Now, do you pour it on your pan while the pan is cool and you let it get hot, or do you get the grill hot first?
You have to wait till the pan is hot.
Okay.
Or ready.
Okay. There's a red thing right there, you can put that on. Okay, so we'll let it get hot, and we can check the temperature if you want. I have a digital thermometer. And on the instructions, it literally says to pour this on, and let's wait and get that hot. So today in our pancakes, we're going to put in some blueberries, and we have some Nestle Kisses, little chocolates that we're going to put in there. I also have some bacon that I pulled out of the freezer, and when I make my bacon, I make the whole package. And then I took some of our parchment paper and I Z-folded it, and I put each piece of bacon on a Z-fold so that they won't stick together. So I could pull this out and just do 1 or 2 pieces without having to thaw all of it. Now, we're checking the temperature. The ultimate temperature is going to be 375. Okay, and we are 371 in the center in between the burners. We're hotter where the burners are. So we probably want to do top, left, right, bottom, left, right, and do the same thing. We probably don't want to put them right there. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go ahead and give this a try. And I was talking to Barb while we were in break, and she said that she watches the pancakes And when, go ahead and pour if you want.
Where do you?
Here.
I just.
She says that she watches the edges, and when they start to bubble, that's when she flips them over. Okay, now it looks like on here we can get 4 easily on here. So I think that's what we'll go with instead of 6. That's 2 for each of us. And if it gets too hot, we'll turn it down a little bit. So how do they look? They're starting to bubble, aren't they? Mm-hmm. All right, and we have our big fancy spatula that we're going to experiment with. I also have a small one. It's okay, we'll just move this other one. Might be too hot. I think I'm gonna turn down just a little bit. We turned it up to get it hot. There you go. I've made pancakes before, but I've made them in a pan. I haven't made them on this griddle. And I thought this would be a great idea to use this griddle.
You'll want to get like a small mixing bowl, pour some of this in a bowl, and then add your stuff
Okay.
to it.
All right. So here's some blueberries. So just a little bit, don't a lot. One of the things Barb said to me is when you're making these, you can kind of make a couple test ones for yourself, and then once you get the hang of it, you can start to perfect these a little bit. Okay, now the next ones we're going to make, you probably want more oil, because it seemed like they were sticking. I have a dish here to put things on. As things get a little messy. Okay, paintbrush, silicone brush. Now these other brands seem to be similar. So this particular brand that we're using, the Bisquick, is pretty nice. Tastes good too. Now these other ones, here's a Sara Lee, and this is going to be from Safeway, which we call Jewel up here in Chicagoland. Here is an off-brand of these. This is Light and Fluffy Pancake Waffle. I believe this is from the dollar store. And then we have the Hungry Jack. Oh, you're ready for me again, aren't you? Okay. So here's just one regular one. Right like that. Okay, and I didn't have time to mix it. So let's just drop some chocolate in the center. And then it'll look like that. And then the ones here with the blueberries. Let me have a little something to stir with. Yeah, sure. There we go. I'm gonna fill up my measuring cup. Boy, they cook fast. I'm on medium heat, and they're really cooking fast. I guess that's what's nice about these is they don't take that long to cook. And you get so many of them in the package, if you mess them up, you throw them out. Throw them out, start over. All right, well, we got 3 on there at the moment. That thing's really, it's hard when you're pouring them this size to get them like that. You really can only make like 3 at a time.
This one you want a couple for.
Okay.
It's a little
Kind of like doughy. You want the big flipper? The super flipper?
super.
Here, I'll take this. You can use the super flipper. This is another tool from the dollar store. I love it. I go to the dollar store and I find whatever they have that I don't have, I just go buy. Saves me from ordering stuff online. I went one day to Wish, and I found a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't have, and I ordered it. The last one, the Hungry Jack, that one's a little different. That one you're going to use some oil, and you're going to use some milk. And for milk, I would use something like this light coconut milk rather than regular milk. I think in our health quest here, I think that would probably be a better thing for us. So here's another one ready to go. And this will probably make, yeah, at least the measurement they gave us makes equal amounts. So this is pretty good, Barb. Now let's throw some bacon on there. Here's some bacon, and this is thick cut bacon. And you know, we're not professional chefs, we're just having fun cooking. We ordered cooking shirts off the internet, got them from Amazon. I think it's better than wearing the apron myself. I'm not real fond of the apron around my neck. These are just cooking shirts. What's nice is you get them messed up, get them dirty, throw them in the wash. It's a nice thing to have. You're cooking at 297, 300 in the middle. I know eggs you cook at 250. Because I cooked at the Golden Bear restaurant. And here's Barb with the question of the day.
The question of the day, do you like blueberries? Click the thumbs up button.
I used to get, well, let it go. If it's not done.
Oops. It should have.
Well, let me try one. Let me try the next one. Be my turn.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe you have to be Italian. I don't know. Okay, is this one done?
No.
No, that one's not done.
No.
Okay. I should.
Oh, yes. Turn that.
Time to flip it?
Yes.
You know, if you get this too hot, it's going to burn. If you don't get it hot enough,
Right.
then they're going to be doughy. Look at this bacon, how wonderful this is cooking. And you know, this is good too. You get this bacon grease on here.
Can you try to flatten that one?
Need a hammer?
Oh, you're so cute.
Let's get out the meat hammer.
I just meant to flatten it so it's not so doughy.
How about the rolling pin?
Yeah. Yeah. You're so cute.
You like that?
Yes,
It's
that's
not,
good.
it's not burnt yet.
No. It's all- that's fine.
Was I supposed to burn them? Now look at that bacon.
That's good.
Isn't that great? Because it's pre-cooked. You don't have to worry about, oh, is it getting cooked or not. All you do is get it hot. That's nice. Well, we're just going to take and put that right across the top here, just like this. Barb.
Super.
Wow.
Wow.
And this is going to be your quick lesson for the day on putting things like blueberries. Probably could put raisins in there. That would be a good thing. We'll try on the next box. We'll put some raisins in there. I also have some other stuff, strawberries. If you're going to put something like strawberries in there, you probably have to cut them or crush them so they're smaller. They're probably too big.
Or thaw them out.
Well, yeah. I mean, they're going to thaw fast anyway. You put them on a 275 degree grill, they're going to thaw real quick.
Yes.
So this is our show for the day. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next time.